Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye
bye. My goodness. Wow. Some people are really desperate. Some people are just desperate and they want to make this money so badly on social media by going around stealing people's Facebook page. Be careful of Facebook page theft. Be careful of Facebook page theft. What Naija Watch did to Ebisedigi, by the way, Naija Watch did to at a New Generation Prophet RTT page. People can only do that to you once you give them access to your page. They make themselves as an admin in the page. You know, they can access your page. If you do not give them your password to log in or wherever, they cannot do that. What's Ebisedigi? That you guys know at Naija Watch, what it did to the way it was able to steal Prophet RTT page. By the way, that is theft. What Naija Watch did to Prophet RTT, that is theft. He actually stole his page. You know, that is criminal. That is robber in broad daylight. There is no other way to actually classify his heart, the way he behaves, that kind of behavior. That is theft. You know what he did? Yesterday, I actually went to that page. I saw everything. Kaftosa video were there. I saw that yesterday. Because since yesterday, the alarm has been raised that, okay, Ebisedigi, that you guys know as Naija Watch, have deleted all the videos, content that belong to New Generation Prophet RTT. So when the news is going, Naija Watch Ebisedigi went back and removed the Captain Osa Okumba videos and replaced it with one kind of America video that want to make other people that will go to that page today to believe that that page must have, maybe belong to one America, someone in America. Anyways, BBC Naija, just to make it look as if, and unfortunately for him, the owner of the page, the original owner of the page, which is Prophet RTT, has a screen picture, as in, he take a picture of all the information, how the name of the page was changed from New Generation Prophet RTT to BBC Naija. You see? So, Naija Watch, you are a criminal. You are a thief. You are a thief. You make your money in a very dirty way, and you will use it in a very dirty way. You are a you are horrible and evil animal. You are not even a human being. You have a heart of a goat. Which animal we even use to describe you? A goat is able to, too sensible. A goat will not even behave in the way you are behaving. Ebisedigi, change from your evil ways. When the cat I sing, if you knock, why are you running a scatter? Why are you changing things in the page overnight? Why are you turning the page upside down overnight? Why? Come out and defend that page. Well, don't defend the web page, what when. Don't defend the why you have Ebisedigi. Oh, web page, one. Come and swear with your children. Ebisedigi, we are matter now for, and the matter now see you 20 years to come. A prophet to where you are far, go ahead, why are you turning your bed? And then why are you being invited to play get me? Can you imagine? Come and defend, but don't defend the Buwanya. Everything over here digging. Come out and defend yourself. Who will page you? Who won ya? Come out. I'll make sure you wear your favor. Ebisedigi, take your time. Take your time. Well, why you want a page in where do of your return it to the owners. Return the page to the owners who can do a page of your on a work boy. All the Prophet RTT we have been monitoring the page. Our well left, I know with you. Obona wa bai. Ono wa change ni. He changed the name. Ono wa delete me alorewa. Ono ya mo video katos. I was watching the video yesterday. You know, a video no pa kon arewa we maro. Ofo, can you believe where they can work? Ono ya mo video ni. Ono ya mo America. Ono ya mo yeba. My brother, that will not help you. You are a criminal. You are a cunning man. You are an evil man. It's very bad of you. When don't defend the page, you know, I have a video with you. Every single day, they go defend the page, you know what bueno. Oh my God, you way have why? You know, we're not the one monetize. You know what we hear? I'll bring the page, you know. No, I mean, okay, maybe you're going to be him with page, you know, guys, with my old offense, lucky benediction. You know, he will move up. And I'm not that way, say, with the page, ni. Man, understand me now. Oh, we are your boy TD. Well, you know, I mean, another way, so we are way. With the page, live is no way again. Oh, man, I'm more with it, on ya. Why your behavior is evil. Why, well, if you not say Naija word, put out for your page. Oh, no, you're tie. Oh, no, so why me money have video me, Nanya. And when you put ya, and you see back in social media when you have your message. You see back because of Indomie, is a good football. And I just watch a work on a Facebook a page when una make no wrong, you cannot correct him. You'll be afraid. Go back now. It's not too late for you guys. Man, no matter whether go and change your password. If Naija Watch is there as an admin, remove him now. Remove him now. I mean anything. But the only way you can back people's page up, running as an admin. You can do it yourself. Una ke page eva. Who your power admin va? Who you not power admin we not pa? Well, so umeti your that from where you admin the page you. Umeti your hand where you admin the page you. Those are people you can trust. So, if you block where maybe we're posting, we make it log in with your part, we make it throw admin or when they allow. A page of when you never allow. You know, you can do other things on the page. I know. So, every single we are digging on an what do now. Who were disgraced boy? Who fat boy? You cannot just love money to this level. The highest you could have done working, about don't any dog when anything. You go video. Since of women go with any like. I'm even about no more here. You when it or I'm not available. That is what you craft. Then me page me where malo you take your time to delete all this phone. I'm glad you were that time Prophet Titi any private recording. Uwe page ni the message session and Naija Watch audio ni or we cook. I'm gonna use the ya blackmail maybe don't call it total or do I know Europe Paris then. Why ya what me? You have access to all those information. Or collect a page ni. We collect your audio. Maybe I want to say the sensitive audio boy. That guy we collect it. On your see okay you want what me page ni. Who do your way? Whoever your private one will deal with. Nemaya communicate with you. So that you use your husband or your wife as an admin, or you can use yourself and do. If you have up to 2-3 pages, you can just maneuver them around. Use each page as an admin. So back your other page up. Do it yourself. Do it. Don't call people like yeah, good people. Yeah, make it go well. Yeah, why we went here behind. Yeah, why they behind? Don't. But someone like Naija Watch is an evil. A behavior now. So you don't have to see somebody in person. You don't have to wait till one man meal in it. You may think no. A behavior when the man you came and look here how it will come on a less than how many months in one. You know, every Sadiki are involved in YouTube channel theft, Facebook page theft. Look at this. How do you defend this now? Every Sadiki, how are you going to defend this behavior of yours? This criminal behavior. Stealing people Facebook pages. Why? How much are you going to make from that page? How much? Oh, na bon we here invite here. Does it worth it? That is the question we hear our neck way. But here I'm woman we be when you are not do west. Ah, no way here no do a kid no boss here wa. And we here no say who no do over and no do I will tell Ottawa. You go walk like elephant, you will eat like ants. Are you happy about it? Is that what you want for your life? Is that what you want for yourself? Where you were here that again, but one of who will hear through a page or a where come and defend the page. Stop running at us, scatter when not Timon is there, Bonnie. When you hear something like this and you not say it in action, you follow it, you see it when the Mia is somewhere. You say, wow, my goodness, what will people not do for money? What will people not do for money? My God, Salopa always say. They will be able life in the my way. BP. You take life one day at a time, sweet Jesus. We that they want me in life now. You have enough, you have a roof over you, you are not sick, you have a healthy life. That for me, that is number one. They are doing well. That is it. Also, fine. Whatever you are making is enough. You are using it to get back. Why stealing other people's pages? The fact where after I finished in my first podcast this morning, I went back in there. I noticed that wow. Okay, we are going to remove every video after why? What good morning? We are good morning. We are going to video. Hey, Salobwa, OG Facebook now. Everything now you are thinking about one anini. The anini one of social media. Anini who was anini. Who was anini? You are more than Evans the kidnapper. You are kidnapping people pages. Ogo ake page ore eni o ya ki e. Wa magi be rio boy bo o menwa no hi wa pe ma wo ye do no ya pe ma grow YouTube channel we mi ya. Oni ga be won e banyan o ya pull a boy page o ma o do so change ni ya. Cause in we ni eni menwa maybe all we no so ni ma we ni. You will not turn around tomorrow and start collecting people's page. What the hell? I said, what long when I? Mother said, why a family? Na lie. You are an hungry man, boy, my brother. Or what good way? A good of him and the bus away. Ah, a good him and the bus away, my why, guys? I want to say, I'm a picture of the way. I am with your dog, my brother. Oh, what my bakerege. Oh, what my bakerege you call. Eko, ọ̀hánà wá bí wá jẹ́gúlẹ̀ na Lagos day. Umionia. Oh, I bakerege you call my brother. Oh, when maybe duplex, my boy. All right, 4 flat water. It's a 8 flat home dear. Umionia. So why you have him with social media now? Anybody no matter what do page or what do you give a give. That person is an hungry man. That page, let the 1,040 followers or all. And I just share them. Every snow go thief the page. Every say page in the head one. You know? I'm okay. Followers or all. I'm a thing they get money. You have 1 cent. Or you do them. Every Sunday girl monora walk back. They monora. They not know that money. What is the last thing? Also know that money. Monora, monotori, ebo, or yajoa. Ikata mo we sin. Yeah, una gi an fie vegwe. Would they pay a Facebook page or to love you? Or I chum with be a very swam with by when I that the here. Naija wash. I've decided again. I am with where take your time. You are and why I'm in social media, you don't know them. You don't know who is who. So no boy me lao. Abuji me lao, bu your bit on lao. I got the Facebook page. So the mara them away Facebook page or ni me quick man we for yagi jawu. Yagi jawu. Once in a while, me la life we post share yagi jawu. The here walker all head of fini me o ya do rem. With their Facebook and where you do moon yard if you said the guinia. I am a bob go away. And we not banning here. Evis. Kerewao, Kahamaba, Una woman face there, Facebook and do love you. Ya really say any ya. Unless where afar no codono yakwe, no yakwe, no yawo de shit. You have to be very careful. You know, when I feel what me do a project man ebode or only with you ya me me ebode. Yes, I'm telling you. Oh your boy ya mo eternity no ro we right ona your boy ya ona your boy ya mo yo ya no ru. Obeni na bon igbelaja ikeke no gba ni te fila passengers na CI emi ya no ro pe anu wu na CI do ya pa. O ma wo de gbe lawa ni. Oh, we are not no no do kini. Or you are not be very instant in your life. Instant in your life. And I will do no so look mojo. Do no so look mojo. Yeah, tell me me. O wo hera ni poge for his heri. Cause I na me o wo hera ni poge for. Hate amo we na olare. I won't be no so look mojo. Me je reta na ti no ga re ma no so look mojo bro. Eyan do ya e we hako. I will make be video. So when so emi here owi sane here odo arwa sano kwalatia onyo se na naiko I we me ma understand and everything we digeri eta se baba cause a page or arati to we wa dumu na wa amu we wabo aba mu we wa caught aba mu we amu we se amuwe oni o si ona go lo wegbe alerun we obo no ma he wa gbe kan san se we ka do yi ona nki wo po yi do edwe page o mamu do rere ni we me wa gija wo ibisi no ya digi o YouTube channel no gbara nu no hi wo hi you know so I know una nu dunya page mo ibisi no ya digi egegie umu egianya. Or say you know also soon that way now. You will not see it coming though. Because I don't when I beg all day. Everyone when I beg that's why I beg because we are like go no see umujao or go na we I mean rest ya yokuo or we gbejao or say no also we never beg you know na wo de gbo hu e page re no do my brother or rezo tagwe that we page re ni mugiya were gbe umuginya gbe umuginya umugbe ru dawe I ora onora blog wewo ora pe la jan do ba do acha gbara gbe wa you know ani wu eri ata se o return their page to them muginya were gbe ma